Hey guys, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, I'm doing the October sub box reveal. Stay tuned. You guys, I know we're all waiting for this one because this is the best season of the year. Am I right? And it is fall, and what's behind this box is just, you guys are gonna absolutely love it. I'm telling you, from the books to the tip-ins, everything about it, you're gonna freak. It turned out absolutely stunning. I mean, and I don't really know like the end result till I get it in my hands. And I mean, I was just so pleased, and I hope you are too. Let's just dive right in. If you're new to me, welcome. This is the planner and journal subscription box available through Designs by Planner Perfect. It is too late to get in onto this box, but subscribe and you can get in on the next one for all of the fun holidays and stuff. It just sets you up for everything you'll need for planning your life and living a life with intention and writing a better story for your life. And so welcome. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the box it comes in. It says write a better story on the side. It's so cute. And when you do get it, you get the card that says it's here. How fun is that? Plan, journal, create. And it comes in a canvas box. We're going to start off. I'm going to glide this out of sight because I don't want any peeks, okay, of any of the accessories just yet. Here we go. Oh, look at the planner and the journal. I knew that I had told you in the September box that there was something in there that could be in the October, and here it is. It turned out so cute. This was all done by watercolor. This was something that are a hodgepodge of all my watercolors put together into a woodlands look, and I just think it came together so beautifully. The one thing that is different that was on the tip-in from September to the October journal is the addition of my watercolor pumpkin. So I brought him into the mix for the woodlands scene for our journals to inspire us to journal and dream big, and I think it turned out really beautiful. It's a wrap, so again, you get the beauty on both sides. I put it on more of a cream background. I think that really sealed it and how it looks. It just turned out so, so beautiful. I love the pale orange. It was taken from one of my colors from my pumpkin, and it has the brown shadow box, and the brown was taken from the acorn. So a lot of thought goes into this for sure, and I really hope you love it as much as I do. Let's take a look and focus on this planner for a second, shall we? I did get a huge response on my journal page I showed, and that was last year's journal page actually. And so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna recreate it. So I did, and it is a full wrap. So that means that I actually painted on a horizontal, large, high quality watercolor paper. And then I did the script on it and everything, and then I was able to do a wrap. Whenever I want to do just the front page, then I'll work on more of a vertical watercolor paper. But I did a nice wide one, so I could do a full wrap, and I love the wraps when they are conducive for it, and when my work is conducive for the wrap. So the script, I have it all like fall quotes. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's fun and it's gorgeous. Talks about pumpkins and cozy and, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. And I hope that you are going to absolutely love and hope this inspires you when you plan your life and with intention. And of course, with all of ours, we've got the red thread, and this is all watercolor. So, and I used a white gel pen for this, and with my distressed pages. I am gonna do a full tutorial on this in this month or in October, so be keeping an eye out for that. It will be on my IGTV and YouTube. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and move on to the accessories. Okay, here are the stickers. I can't tell you how excited I was with these because they not only are different, but they're also redone. They're creatively made. And so I just thought, how can I make some things different? Of course, I had to bring her back. I mean, she's a must. I mean, you only get her once a year. I had to bring her back. Here's my watercolor pumpkin, and I decided to make a cute little, use one of those cute sayings on it, pumpkin spice and everything nice. I mean, what? So look at this. I mean, what? So I used my favorite all-time watercolor gray pumpkin and put him as an O in home, and I freaked. I was like, bingo, nailed it. This is it. You know what I mean? Put a ring on it. Whatever you want to say, here it is. It's so cute. Stay cozy. I mean, come on. Yes. I brought my truck, you guys. That was on one of my journal pages. I was able to get him on a sticker. Yes. So, and look at this. What? Yeah. I mean, right? We just need like full sheets of like just this, full sheets of this, full sheets of him. High classic. If you have been with me for a while, you know my scarecrow stories. Let's look at this one. Again, too cute for words. We've got this one. Hi, this one. We've got my coffee. Haven't brought this one out in a while and I missed him, and look, gorgeous. One of my first coffees I'd ever made for designs. Got this one over here too, my fox. Sweater weather, what? Yeah, exactly. My thoughts. Are you freaking? Because these are gorgeous. They turned out amazing. Let's look at these tip-ins. The tip-ins are awesome because they're works of art on the covers and on the back. You can do addendums on the back and stick it into your planner. You can do a scripture on the back, a verse, a memorization for the week, the day. You can give them out and punch a hole and tie them onto a wine bottle. I'm telling you, and just wait till you get the Christmas ones. Be perfect for Christmas tags. So these are very universal in how they can be used and just to be tucked into your planner for inspiration. So we've got the cover, October cover photo, artwork on this one. Look at how cute it came out. Oh my gosh. I put on this one something different than last year. Hello, pumpkin. I mean, just the slightest changes. This is also new in terms of the artwork is from last year, but I put hello fall on it. I mean, what? When you redo little simple things, you just change the whole thing. Look, I mean, come on. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. And hello, autumn. Look at that. There's my truck. Again, all in watercolor. Yes. Now, I know you guys are going to absolutely love the washi. Drum roll, please. Are you doing it? Okay. Bam. Look at it. Look at it. So this also takes, some design work. So I wanted my woodlands, and so we've got it created on the washi how we wanted it done. And I think it turned out amazing, from the background color to the different watercolor pieces put on and placed on strategically. I mean, yeah, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears goes into this. This is a beautiful graphically done plaid that is part of my colors. I don't know if you see that. Amazing washi. Okay. And then this one, I mean, come on. All of my artwork put and placed in certain ways that just, it's kind of blurry. I'm kind of mad about it right now. There we go. It's not catching. And I picked the right, I like more of an orangey hue to go with that. And you guys are gonna freak out putting these on your pages. There you have it. I mean, there you stinkin' have it. I'm gonna say I am just as excited about these as you. Until next time, you guys.